Hola, people of the universe. It's me again, Chef Pelucci, for another episode. I haven't uploaded video in a while. I've been busy, but now it's my off, so I'm gonna make kimchi. I just learned this morning that the Korean version is called pogi kimchi. So we're gonna make a pogi kimchi for pogi original. So there. So I've already. It's just like I followed Marion Grasby's version, the Thailander. She's my favorite. All of her food, I save it on my phone. So I'm doing, let's say she have a beef recipe, I turn it into seafood. So there. So I've already washed my cabbage. This is a 3 pounder, over 3 pound Napa cabbage. And, you know, after I washed it and soak it with salt, it's just like this. A while ago, it was like overflowing. I said it's so much, but after a while, now it's like this. So the recipe is, of course, the cabbage, the Napa cabbage. Then I've already cut some um, garlic, ginger, and then fish sauce, and then white sugar, and then this I ordered this from Amazon. It's like a Korean powder. It's called gochujaru. I think I got it for $10, $11. It's 1 pound. So before, I used to buy kimchi forage, and this small uh, container cost like 7, 8, sometimes even 10. So depends on where you go. It's a little bit. It's much less costly in Walmart. I think it's even cheaper in Walmart than in Asian market. So we're gonna make. So there you go. So we'll just mix everything. And then I'm supposed to do a food processor, but my processor is really small, so I decided to use the blender. So let's see. Okay, so we'll just blend. And then also, before I do the kimchi, I'm gonna also make him a vegan fried chicken. I've already boiled my jackfruit here. It's a jackfruit in can. I used 2 of this. Um, his friend Ted is requesting to do for me to do a uh, pulled pork made of jackfruit. Um, Ted, wait, because I have to order me green jackfruit because I'm supposed to cook it with coconut milk, but I decided to do the vegan fried chicken instead. So I have the jackfruit, and then the wet batter is composed of almond milk, and then aquafaba for binder. For people who don't know what aquafaba is, that's the the liquid from chickpea. But I thought I have a chickpea somewhere, but I don't have, so I'm just gonna put egg. So the wet batter is almond milk, egg, pepper, little salt, and then for the dried batter, I have flour, and then I have a lot of, like, I think I put all of my spices here. So parsley. I don't know if I'm gonna put parsley, but I have oregano, parsley. I got this from Ross. It's like chili pepper, parsley, and garlic. I have the Old Bay for seafood flavor. I have garlic and pepper. I have Cajun seasoning. I have paprika. I have sriracha salt. What else? Chili powder. Of course, black pepper, garlic powder, and of course ground cumin. So this will be my what do you call this? My dry batter. So we're gonna coat it with after we dip the vegan jackfruit, the vegan fried chicken in almond milk. We're gonna dip it with the flour. I'll show it to you later. I'm just cooling the jackfruit. It's still warm. And then I have a lot of food to do for him, but I just didn't have the time. Like right now, it's only 1 day off, and then there. So I'm gonna also make him his own sushi. I have sushi rice here. I have, of course, the rice vinegar, And then I ordered this from Amazon. It's like the bamboo mat, the sushi, you know, where you can roll the sushi. And then I also ordered him some soy curls. So there's a lot of things that I have to do. I just have to find time to do it. Okay, so going back, let's do the kimchi. So where will I put this? Hold on. Okay. So we'll combine the, here you can see, the Korean flakes. I don't know if I want to put much because I thought I have enough cabbage, but it sinks. So garlic, ginger. If I make more what do you call this, sauce, I'll buy more Napa cabbage. So there you go. And then let's put the fish sauce. Good enough. Then of course the sugar. So I have this container here. If I need more, I have this. I have a lot of this. When we order from the Chinese restaurant, they put our soup here, like hot and sour soup and all. So they just mix them all together. Let me see if I have enough. I'll put more fish sauce. Just have to wash my blender really clean because I don't want all of my shakes to taste like Korean flakes. Okay, so let's just blend this. It's not blending. I think I need to put more liquid. Because we need like a paste like mixture. I'll put a little more fish sauce. It's not blending. Maybe I'll put a little water. Maybe that will help me. Hold on. Just a little, just to bind it. There you go. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, you have like a paste texture like. So we'll put it on top of the cabbage, and that's about it. Let's see. Then let's just wait it to, to ferment. I think the longer it takes, the longer you ferment it, the longer the better it tastes. I don't know. I'm not a fan of kimchi. I'm just making this for Reg. Can see, we'll just mix this. Smells good. I'm just gonna taste one. I don't really eat kimchi because I'm not a fan of spicy. I just want to taste if it's, I don't want it to be too it's good. It's a bit salty, but I'm just gonna put probably more sugar and more of the chili flakes of the gochujang. But there you go. That's our finished product. Let me just go in. There's some more here. We just have to scrape it. But other than that, it's really good. Then this will be his dinner. I'm gonna make him the vegan fried chicken after this. I'm just letting the jackfruit cool down. But other than that, this is good. Probably I'll put let me see. I'll put stevia. Where's the stevia? Just one. You know what? Put one more. And then we'll put a few more of chili flakes. Just a little. And mix it all up. That's it. That's about it. There you go. So I don't know, I think I spent $3 and some change for the cabbage, then $11 for the gochujang. But there's a lot more. Like I still have this for gochujang. Then there's still some more left here. Next time I'll buy more Napa cabbage, like a lot more. Let me just put this here so it will start to ferment. And the smaller one. I will do the vegan fried chicken today. Let me see here. So there you have it. I'm just gonna wipe the sides. Hold on. Let's just wipe the sides here. So there you go. That's my homemade pogi kimchi for pogging Reginald. So there you go. There you go, folks. Today is what? Tuesday. Tuesday, 2 p.m. Pacific time. So I think it's early morning Wednesday in the Philippines. Early Wednesday morning. So you be safe, you all. You take care. I'll show you the my vegan fried chicken later once I'm done. I'm still cooling it down. Then I'm just gonna, just form like a chicken. Or probably, I don't know. I'll work it out later. So there you go, folks. As you know, I'm wearing my shirt. I ordered this from Amazon. I think I got it for like almost 30-ish. It's expensive. There's a lot more colors like green, I think navy blue. I don't know if there's white. I think there's purple. I was trying to order um before, but I don't know. I can't see it anymore, so I don't know if it's still available. So I want to get all of the colors if possible. So I have Rich gave me this Life is Peachy sweatshirt. I left it in Alabama. So I'm trying to order it recently. No, when it was cold. But again, I can't find it anymore as well. So next time when I find something that I like and I have money, I'm gonna order it. So there you go. Uh, Homemade kimchi for Reg. So enjoy the rest of your Tuesday afternoon. You take care, you all, and you be safe. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe so you'll be updated whenever I upload new videos. So there you go. Bye bye for now. You take care.